Most traders lose money at order blocks, not because the setup is wrong, but because the timing is off. They see the zone and enter immediately, and sometimes it even works. But here is the part nobody talks about. Why does price often touch the same zone once, do nothing, and then move perfectly the second time? In this chart, there is a hidden trap before the real move, and once you see it, you will stop entering early. First, look at the structure here. Price was moving down, making lower highs, lower lows, and then suddenly we get a strong push up that breaks the previous high. That is your bullish break of structure. This is where the market shifts from bearish to bullish, and now the focus is not on selling anymore. We start looking for buy setups. Now, after this bullish break, the next question is, where is price going? Look at the highs here. There is liquidity resting above them. That is your buy-side liquidity. Market does not move randomly. It usually goes to take this liquidity first. So once we get the bullish shift, this becomes our target. But price does not go there directly. Before moving up, it creates a small pullback. And this is where most traders get confused. It looks like the move is starting, so people jump in early. But this pullback is actually inducement. It is designed to pull traders in before the real move happens. Now watch this area carefully. This last bearish candle before the strong move up. This is your order block. You can see price already touched this zone once on the left side, but nothing really happened. That is important. It means this zone is active, but the real move has not started yet. There is a clear difference between the first touch and the second touch of an order block. On the first touch, there is no proper inducement, no clear target, and the move is usually weak. Price just reacts, but it is not ready to move. On the second touch, everything is aligned. Inducement is already created, liquidity is clear, and we have a defined target above. That is why the second touch gives a strong, clean move, while the first one often fails to continue. So the idea is simple. Do not rush on the first touch. Let the market create inducement, take liquidity, and show intention. Once everything is aligned, that is where the real entry comes. If you follow this, you will stop taking early entries and start catching clean moves. Follow Discount Trader for more simple trading concepts like this. If this made sense, go back and re-watch the chart once. You will see the trap much more clearly. Start focusing on timing, not just zones. That is where the real difference comes. I will see you in the next one.